Real estate coaches can teach you a ton, but what you actually get out of it really depends on what kind of program you sign up for. Some coaching is broad, like Real Estate 101, how to analyze a property, calculate cash flow, understand financing, negotiate deals without getting steamrolled. Other coaching is laser focused, like wholesaling, short-term rentals, or even residential assisted living. And that's why you've got to know what game you're playing before you pay. A coach who's amazing at teaching you how to buy duplexes might be useless if your goal is to run a care-based business. And if you're aiming at residential assisted living, RAL, you need someone who knows real estate and the world of licensing, staffing, compliance, and assisted living. A good coach doesn't just hand you generic tips. They tailor the roadmap to the exact path you're trying to take. Most of the practical lessons come in the form of step-by-step systems that you can actually follow. Think, how to find profitable markets without guessing, how to run the numbers so you don't buy a money pit, how to structure deals with lenders or partners so you don't get stuck holding the bag. But coaching isn't just the nuts and bolts. It's also the soft skills that don't make it into YouTube tutorials, like how to pitch yourself confidently to investors, or how to shut down the voice in your head that says, "Don't do it. What if you screw up?" If you're working with a coach in a niche like residential assisted living, you'll probably dive even deeper into the weeds. How to remodel a house so it passes state inspections, how to build a care plan that works with your property, and how to staff the home so you're not stuck pulling all-nighters. Those are the things you really don't want to have to figure out through trial and error, because trial and error in RAL can cost you tens of thousands of dollars, or worse, your credibility, your time, your energy. If you want to understand the 5 keys to success in residential assisted living and the myths most investors stumble on, click here to watch my next video. We dig into team, margins, licensing, caregiver myths, and the income puzzle behind one single home. Now, some coaches lean less on the technical stuff and more on accountability and mindset. And before you roll your eyes, let's be real. That's often what people need most. You can Google rental property calculator in 5 seconds, but Google won't call you at 9 a.m. and say, "Hey, did you actually make an offer yet?" Or are you just scrolling Zillow again? Mindset coaching can help you reframe risk, push through the fear of writing your first contract, and stay consistent when overwhelm kicks in. Because here's the truth, real estate isn't just a numbers game, it's a confidence game. And sometimes the difference between sitting on the sidelines and building a portfolio is just having someone in your corner saying, "You've got this, now go close." But here's the catch. Not all coaches are created equal. Some are rock stars and others are just Instagram famous with rented Lambos. Watch out for red flags. Big one, over-promising. If someone guarantees you'll make 100K in 90 days, run. Real estate is full of variables. No one can promise you results, another red flag. If they can't show you their own deals or connect you with past students who've actually succeeded, it's time to peace out. And I don't just mean 1 or 2 success stories. I want to see hundreds, if not thousands, so I know that this is real. The best coaches are transparent, honest about risks, and more interested in your wins than in wringing your wallet dry. At the end of the day, real estate coaching can teach you everything from deal math to the day-to-day grind of running something niche like a residential assisted living home. But what you actually learn depends 100% on the coach you pick. The payoff can be massive. You're buying speed, skipping years of mistake, and getting to the good part faster, but only if you pick someone legit. So do your homework, match their expertise with your goals, and make sure that they've walked the walk. Pick the right coach, and the lessons you take away won't just shape your first deal, they'll shape your entire financial future. If you like this video, then hit that subscribe button now.